Students, this is Aruna, social teacher, KV Machilipatnam. From this video, you are going to learn how to install and use Bhasha Sangam app. Go to Play Store and here type Bhasha Sangam app. Then you will get this logo. Install this app and open. You will get like this. You'll get this page, first page. So first of all, you have to log in into this app. So how to log in? After installing the app, you have to enter your name and your phone number. To that phone number, you will get OTP. Enter that OTP and log in into this app. Then you will get this page, first page. So 22 languages are given. Which language do you want to learn? Select one language and click it on. So let me click on Kannada language. Continue. Little about Kannada. Then Kannada is spoken by about 44 million native speakers and it is the official language of Karnataka. So some information is given on about Kannada language. After reading this information, click it on continue. Then you will get these icons and here every language you have to learn step by step. Okay, after learning one level, next level on will open. Okay, so first we have to click on this first icon, how to greet people. Some sentences are given, so we have to learn this. Click it on. Then Shubhodaya. Shubhodaya means good morning. In Kannada we say Shubhodaya. Click on next. Then one question is given and we do not know how to read languages. So by listening we can learn, and audio also available in this app. So listen to the audio and identify the phrase from the option given. So
good morning, Shubhodaya.
So what do we say in good morning in Kannada? Shubhodaya. So click it on Shubhodaya and submit. You will get questions like this. 30 questions are given here. You have to answer the 30 questions. Then only next level will open. So it is very interesting app to learn 22 languages, and it is good opportunity to the students to learn 22 scheduled languages. Okay, so make use of this opportunity. Everyone must install this app and learn these languages. Thank you.